This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have an easy one. This is for a dishwasher that's leaking from the door in the corners, and we don't even need any parts to fix this one. It should just take you a few minutes. We're seeing the leak coming out of the lower left-hand corner. Could be the right-hand corner too. And all we need to do is pull out the seal from its metal track. We're just going to pull it out a little ways, and then we're going to reseat it. Over time, it can get compressed, and then it no longer forms a watertight seal between the rubber seal and the metal door. So pulling it out creates that better seal. It's also good to use an old toothbrush and some water to just wipe it down really well to knock off some of the old caked up detergent that can get on that seal and also create a not a watertight connection between the rubber and the metal. So I'm just pulling it out a little bit, maybe 1/4 of an inch, so that it's out closer toward the door. And then as you close the door, it will essentially seat the rubber seal into the right depth. And it's not fully out of its track, but it's about halfway out of its metal track. And then I'll just push the door shut. So it's pretty quick, pretty easy. It's nice. You don't really need any tools, don't need any parts. You're just grabbing it with your fingers and pulling it out. You would probably again need an old toothbrush to clean the seal though. So I'm just pushing it back into the track now, but I'm not pushing it in as far as it could go. Only about halfway in. So there are, of course, other things that can cause a dishwasher to leak, but this is a really common one. And most dishwashers have this same type of seal that goes between the door and the cabinet. So now when I started it and I closed it, filled up with water, it did all of the normal washing mode, but the leak had stopped. I even put in some pots and plates to try to see if I could cause deflection, but still no leak. If you look underneath it, the wood, the plywood, has no evidence of any staining. So we know that the water was not coming from underneath the dishwasher, but instead was coming out of the corners.
Why go beyond that?
And that's a very common problem. I'm just checking the air gap here while I'm doing this repair to make sure there's nothing caught in there. That sometimes can cause a dishwasher to not be able to drain.
Yeah.
So it's kind of fun to do, easy to do. Just take off the top and look in there to make sure
For that,
tube
to
has nothing
hire an entity to do
Just
that.
take you a couple of minutes. And we'll put the little silver
Yeah, and you're
cap
like, where's
back
that
on.
going? Who's pocketing that money?
So that did the trick. Hope this will work really good for you. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.